Hello guys, I am Cheriyan. Today we are going to do little more problems from maxima, minima, turning points. Okay, let us do. Alright, first problem is find the turning points or critical points, both are same, critical points. And find, and second one, find where the turning points, where the function is increasing and decreasing. So that is the question. Then the third, the last one, find the maximum, find the maxima. Maxima means maximum value. Maximum value. Or minimum. Means minimum value. Alright. Find the turning. The first problem is this. Fx is equal to x square minus 6x. Okay, first this is the point. First we need to find the turning points. Okay, turning points. Turning points means maybe 1 point, maybe 2 or 3. Okay, we are going to find the turning points. First, derivative. Turning point means, what is the derivative? Derivative, if the derivative is 0, if the derivative of a function is 0, then so this is the turning point. At the turning point, derivative of dy by dx is 0. That is the formula. Okay, we learned that yesterday. At the turning points, dy by dx is equal to 0. So if we want to find the turning points, first we need to differentiate the function. F dash x is equal to what? What is the derivative of x square? 2x. Minus what is the derivative of 6x? 6. At the turning point, this is equal to 0. Right? So 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. X is equal to 3. Right? So x is equal to 3. 1, 2, 3. X coordinate is 3. Okay, here the x coordinate is 3. We need to find the y coordinate. How can you find the y coordinate? If x coordinate is 3, we can find out y. Because y is equal to x square minus 6x. So x is 3. 3 square, 9. Minus 6 into 3, 18. Right? 6 into 3, 18. 9 minus 18 is what? 9 minus 18 is minus 9. Is minus 9. So the point is 3 minus 9. 3 minus 9. Where is 3 minus 9? 3 is here. Minus 9 is here. Alright? So this is the turning point. We don't know what is that is minimum or maximum. We need to find out. So the turning point is 3 minus 9. So you need to write turning point is equal to 3 minus 9. Okay. The first problem, turning point or we got it. Okay. Find where the function is increasing or decreasing. Maybe the function is like this or maybe like this. We don't know. We need to find out. Okay. So what is the condition for increasing function? For increasing function, f dash x or first derivative should be greater than 0. So should be positive or greater than 0. So I'm going to write this. Question is f dash x equals x square minus 6x. Okay? X square minus, sorry, this is fx. F dash x is what? F dash x is equal to 2x minus 6. So 2x minus 6 is greater than 0. Greater than 0. So what is that? 2x minus 6 is greater than 0. 2x is greater than 6. X is greater than 3. X should be greater than 3. Then the function is increasing. So you don't need anything. See the function, where the function, only one function. There is no decreasing function here. Okay. If x is greater than 3, the function is increasing. Maybe like this. Yeah. The function is increasing like this. And if x is less than 3, the function is decreasing. Right? Decreasing. So that's the answer. Passing through 0 because it was passing through the origin. Okay. You don't need this, only you need this answer. Okay. X is greater than 3, x is less. X is greater than 3, the function is increasing. If x is less than 3, the function is decreasing. Okay, that's it. The third one, find the maximum value and minimum value. Only one point. Okay. We need to find out whether this point is a maximum point or minimum point. It looks like minimum point. Let us check. For what is the derivative of this? What is the condition? If the second derivative is negative, then the point is a maximum point. Okay. If the second derivative is positive, then that point is a minimum point. So we need to find out what is that. F2 dash x is equal to, what is the derivative of 2x minus 6? That is 2. Is a positive number. So this point should be a minimum point. See, when the figure is a minimum point. Maximum point is like this. Okay, this is maximum point. Okay, that's it. Okay, one more time I'm going to explain to you this problem. The problem is question x square minus 6x. Y is equal to x square minus 6x, or fx is equal to x square minus 6x. First we need to find the turning points. How can you find the turning points? At the turning point, you guys need to write like this. At the turning point, dy by dx equals 0. That is, derivative of x square should be equal to 0. That is, what is the derivative of x square? 2x. What is the derivative of minus 6x? Minus 6 equal to 0. Right? So 2x is equal to 6, x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3, and x is equal to 3, the function turn, maybe minimum point or maximum point. We need to find out the point. This is only x coordinate. We need to find the y coordinate. How can you find? Just substitute this value here, you get the turning point. Y equals x square minus 6x. So equal 3 square. 3 square minus 6 into 3. That is 9 minus 18 equals minus 9. So the turning point is equal to 3 minus 9. We need to find This point is a maximum point or a minimum point. After this we can do the maximum or minimum. Before doing this, what is the second derivative? First derivative is 2x minus 6. Y dash equals 2x minus 6. What is the second derivative? Second derivative is 2, positive. So this is the minimum point. Minimum point. See, the second derivative is positive, then that point should be a minimum point. Okay, that is the formula. Yesterday we learned 3 important things. One, at the for a decreasing function, the dy by first derivative is negative. For a increasing function, the first derivative is positive. At the turning point, dy by first derivative is 0 or dy by dx equals 0. Then for a maximum point, second derivative is negative. For a minimum point, the second derivative is positive. So just apply that. See, second derivative is positive, so this one is the minimum point. Okay? So the graph is like, where is 3 minus 1? 3 is here, minus 9 is here. So it's the minimum point. Okay, then the second one, find the value, find where the function is increasing. So what is the condition for a increasing function? Increasing function, f dash x should be greater than 0 or positive. Greater than 0 means positive. What is f dash x? 2x minus 6 is greater than 0. That is 2x is greater than 6. X is greater than 3. Okay, x is greater than 3 for an increasing function. This portion is increasing. Okay. See, the angle is like this. Okay. This angle is greater than 180 and less than 270. So it's a positive angle. See, first quadrant, all is positive. Second quadrant, sine is positive. Third quadrant, only tan is positive. Fourth quadrant, cos is positive. When I teach the trigonometry, I am going to explain this. Right now, you need to learn that. Okay? All positive, sine positive, tan positive, cos positive. Tan, see here, greater than 90 and less than 270, tan is positive. Here, see, the angle always starts from the x-axis. X-axis. See, this is the angle. So that angle is positive, so this portion is increasing. That is greater than 3, the function is increasing. Increasing. Then x less than 3. The function is decreasing. Okay? See that one. Like this. Angle is, what is this angle? This angle is greater than 270. That is in the fourth quadrant. So negative. Tan is negative in the fourth quadrant. So this portion is decreasing, this portion is increasing. Okay, second problem. Second problem 2. fx equals 6x cube plus 9x square minus 360x. Okay. First the turning point. At the turning point, f dash x equals 0. So this one should be equal to 0. 18x square plus 18x, 9 into 2, 18x. 6 into 3, 18x square minus 360. Okay, I am going to take out x 18, x square plus x minus 20 equals 0. So x square plus x minus 20 equals 0. We need to find the solved x value. So there are two methods for solving this. So just apply the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, or factorizing method. When you add two numbers, you need to get 1, the coefficient of x. And when you multiply those two numbers, you need to get minus 20. What are the numbers? What are the numbers? 5 and minus 4. Check. 5 plus minus 4 is 1. 5 times minus 4 is minus 20. How did you get that? Now there is an easy method. Factorize 20. 2, 10. Again 2, 5. See, 2 times 4, 2, 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Check. 5 and 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. 5 times 4 is minus 2. Now you can calculate, you can find out the numbers like this way. Okay, so see this one, x square, split the middle term. What is 1x? 1x is 5x. 5x minus 4x minus 20. Underline these two. What is the common factor here? X is the common factor. X plus 5. What is the common factor here? Minus 4. X plus 5. So again, x plus 5 as a common factor. X plus 5 into x minus 4 equals 0. Okay. X is equal to minus 4. Sorry, x is equal to minus 5 when x plus 5 is equal to 0. When x plus 5 is equal to 0, what is x? X is equal to negative 5. When x minus 4 is equal to 0, x is equal to 4. There are 2 points. One is minus 5 and minus 4. When x is equal to 4, we need to find the value of y. So you get the turning point. I am going to find the value of y. Y is equal to 6x cube plus 9x square minus 360x. Okay, it's a little difficult. We need to substitute 4 cube plus 9 into 4 square minus 360 into 4. So you get y. X and y is the turning point. Okay, you get x is equal to 4. So 4 cube is 64. 64 times I am going to use the calculator. 64 times 6 equals 384 plus 16. 4 square is 16. 16 times 9. 16 times 9 equals 144 minus 360 times 4. 360 times 4 equals 1440. First you need to add this and then subtract. 384 plus 144 equals 528 minus 1440 equals minus 912. So the turning points, we found the turning points. First turning point is 4 negative 4 912. Okay, the first turning point, then second TP2. I'm going to write like that. See, x is minus 5. You need to find the value of x. Minus 4 minus 125. 6 into 5 cube is 125. Okay, minus 125, because minus 5 times minus 5 times minus 5 that is minus 125, plus 9 into minus 5 square is 25, positive, minus 360 x minus 5. Okay, so this becomes plus. Okay, I'm going to calculate this. 125 times 6 equals negative 750, plus 25 times 9 equals 225. Minus into minus plus. 360 times 5. 360 times 5 equals 1800. So 1800 plus 225. 1800 plus 225 equals 2025 minus 750 equals 1275. So the answer is like this. Two turning points are like 1275. Okay, see, the two turning points are, one is 4 is here somewhere. It's somewhere here, right? 4 negative 912 is somewhere below, far below the x-axis. Here also far above the x-axis. Minus 5. Minus 5 is somewhere here. Minus 5, maybe this is the maximum point. We need to find out. We don't know. Everything we need to calculate. So this is the minimum point, maybe 4912. We need to calculate. Okay, we need to find out. Negative. This is negative 5, 1275. So we got 2 points. We need to find out which one is the. So how can you find out the maximum point, maximum value or minimum value? How can you find out? Find the second derivative. Where is the first derivative? First derivative. I am going to erase this one. What is the first derivative? First derivative is 18x. This is the first derivative. I am going to. This is the first derivative. 18 times, not equal to 0. Don't take that one. Okay. y2, y1, y dash equals 18 times x square plus x minus 20. y2 dash equals 18 constant. Just leave it. What is the derivative of x square? 2x. What is the derivative of x plus 1? Okay. Is greater than 0, turning point. We need to find out the turning points. Okay, maximum minimum. After that, maximum minimum. Okay, is this positive or negative? Just substitute 4 place of x. So 18 times 2 into 4, that is 8. 8 plus 1, that is 18 times 9. Is a positive number. We don't need to calculate the number. We know 18 times 9 is a positive number. So this is the minimum point. So naturally this one is the maximum point. Let us find out. Okay. y2 dash equals 18 times 2x plus 1. Okay, that is second derivative. 18 times 2 into, what is x? X is minus 5. 2 times minus 5 is minus 10. Minus 10 plus 1 is minus 9. See, this is a negative number because 18 times negative 9 is a negative number. So this point is a maximum point and this point is a negative point. Okay? Sorry, minimum point. So we done first and second. So I'm going to erase this. The second one, find where the function is increasing. The question is, one more time. Okay, fx equals 6x cube plus 9x square minus 360x. What is f dash x? X is 18x square plus 18x minus 360. 18 into x square plus x minus 20. Okay. For an increasing function, first derivative is greater than 0. Alright? So, now 18, when you divide 18 on both sides, 18 cancel, right? A square plus x minus 20 is greater than 0. So, you need to factorize this. What is that? X plus 5 times x minus 4. We already did that, okay? Greater than 0. So, this is important. X is greater than 4. See, x minus, first there are two numbers greater than 0. First we need to take x minus 4 is greater than 0. Okay? What happened? X is greater than 4. Right? For example, what are the integers greater than 4? 5, 6, 7, 8. Just substitute those values here. When x is 5, 5 plus 5, 10. 10, 5 minus 4, 1. So positive, correct. When x is 6, 6 plus 5, 11. Times 6 minus 4, 2. 11 times 2, that is also positive. So this one is correct. That is, x is greater than 4. The function is something like this, right? This was the graph. This is 4. When x is greater than 4, the function is increasing. Function is increasing. So that is, 4 is the minimum value and infinity is the maximum value. So 4 to infinity, the function is increasing. We need to something. X is greater than 4. What is the maximum value? What is the maximum value of 4? Infinity. What is the minimum value? That is 4. So x is greater than 4, the function is increasing. What is the minimum value? Minimum value, that is, we need to write one more time this one. I'm going to erase this here. What is the minimum value? What is the, not minimum value, what is the, find where the function is decreasing, right? So less than 0. When the function is decreasing, the first derivative is less than or negative. Less than 0 or negative. So, I'm going to take this one. X minus 4 is less than 0. X is less than 4, right? X is less than 4 means what? 3, 2, 1. Those are the values. When, just check. When x is equal to 1, 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5, 6. 1 minus 4, minus 3, times minus 3. Correct. X times minus 3, that is right? So 2, when you substitute 2, 3, everything correct. So, what is that? What happened to 0? When x is 0? When x is 0, that is also negative. 5 times minus 4 is negative. Correct. Then minus 1. What happened to minus 1? Minus 1, minus 5. Negative times positive, negative. Then what happened to minus 5? Minus 5. Minus 5. Minus 5. Minus 5 is, see, minus 5 here, minus 1, minus, so positive. So, if it is less than negative 5, say x plus 5 is less than 0, x is less than negative 5. If x is less than negative 5, for example, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8, just substitute those values here. negative 8 minus negative 8, when you substitute negative 8 here, negative 3, negative, negative, positive. So negative, if the value is less than negative 5, the function is increasing because positive. Negative, for example, negative 6, when you substitute negative 6 here, negative 1 times negative 10. Negative 10 times negative 1 is positive. So, if it is less than negative 5, the function is, so you need to, x is greater than 4 and x is less than negative 5. The functions are increasing. This one is increasing. This portion is also increasing. In between, let us check. Negative 4. See, when you substitute negative 4, what happened? Negative 4, this is negative, this is positive. So you get a negative number. See here, in between any point, so that is negative 3. When you substitute negative 3, this is negative, positive. So in between, x lies in between negative 5 and 4. The function is decreasing. In between here, the function is decreasing. Okay? Here, function is decreasing. These two portion, function is increasing. Okay? Got it? We can do little more problems. If you have any doubt, watch the video 2-3 times. Then you will understand. Okay? I'm going to stop here right now. See you tomorrow. We can do little more problems from here. Then you will understand. Okay? Thank you.